Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share one vegetarian menu for the dinner for the Indian guest. When the menu is planned and ready, it becomes easy on cooking. So the first thing is to plan ahead. This video can be helpful for you when the guests are visiting your home. So let's see the menu. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. In this channel, you can see the organizations, DIYs, healthy recipes, productivity tips, and shopping hauls, and all those things. So, let's get into the video. We need to plan like what is the starter and what is the dessert, what is the main curry, like this. So I chose a vegetable manchuria as a starter. This can be enjoyed while eating and sitting together. So let's see how to make it. To make this manchuria, I took few carrots and cabbage, and with this blender I have shredded these two together. And in this mixture I am going to add the remaining things like all purpose flour, salt, and cornstarch one by one, and then mix it nicely. In this mixture I also boiled some potatoes and mashed them, and then mix it into this carrot and cabbage. Once all this mixture is mixed, we can make the round balls and then fry in oil on a medium flame for some time. These veg Manchurian balls will become into golden yellow color. So I was frying them and keeping them aside before making anything else. I thought to prepare the lady's finger curry, so I wash them and dry them up on the towel and then cut it, and then I am going to fry them in a bigger pan with the tempering. So it's going to take a while for me, so I am going to cook another item in another stove. So I am preparing the sambar. So I took the tempering for the sambar. So I am taking care of both of them. I added all the vegetable for sambar like onions, tomatoes. I cooked dal in separate pressure cooker and then added the dal in this by adding the tomatoes and bottle gourd drumsticks all together and cook it for some time in the sambar. Meanwhile, curry is also getting ready. I want to prepare kurma for the side dish of the vegetable rice, or it can be used for chapati also or roti. So here I took an oil and I added some garam masala ingredients, and then I am adding the chopped onions, and I also cut the potatoes into large pieces and added here, and I am going to stir it for some time. Next I am going to add the peas, green peas directly here, and then mix it nicely. I am adding salt here and then turmeric, and then mix it nicely. Once the onions are cooked well, I am going to add the tomato puree in this mixture and then cook it for some more like 2-3 minutes, and add all the masala ingredients: garam masala, dhania jeera powder, chili powder, all of them together, and then mix it nicely and then close the lid to give 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released, the kurma is ready. I garnished with coriander leaves. So the kurma is ready. I prepared the fruit custard by just adding the milk with the sugar and fruit custard powder. So it was so easy to prepare in no time, and this can be one good dessert for anybody. So for dessert, I thought of making a semia payasam. So in a pan, I took a few cashew nuts along with ghee, and then I'm frying the semia. This will only take only 10 minutes for me, so it is easy dessert for me. And then once it is cooked, I am going to add some water here and then close the lid until it is done. Make this veg manchuria, I took a wider pan with a oil with a high heat. I added chopped garlic, ginger and green chilies and also chopped onions on a high flame. I am adding all these ingredients one by one. 1 tablespoon of Chinese chili paste, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, 1 spoon of sugar and white pepper, and added a little bit of oil on a high flame. And then on this mixture I am going to mix the veg manchuria balls. Made vegetable rice in instant pot. In instant pot we already added all the vegetables along with all the spices, and then added rice and cook it for 6 minutes with the basmati rice. So vegetable rice is ready. Our dinner menu is ready for the guest with the veg manchuria and bhendi curry, ladies finger curry and veg kurma along with sambar and papad. With some dessert, kheer and vegetable rice along with the plain rice. We are going to enjoy it with our guests. I hope this video will be helpful for somebody who is going to prepare the menu for guests. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.